Like, they're like, they're building more up here, I think. Like, they put a few more ceilings up on the water base.
Are we gonna need more C4? Like...
Yeah. They're putting more, well, I haven't seen more behemoth gates, but they're definitely putting more ceilings up, and then they're doing stone, and then right away they're doing, like, metal, which is kind of weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
Like,
is
really
their base big enough for a vault?
Oh, they got me.
They got you?
Yeah, I'm okay though. I'm okay for now.
Tring. Okay, nice.
He fell! He fell off!
Triple mode.
He fell off his bird! He fell off his bird!
Watching. Where's your bird at? Is it following you?
I hope so, I hit whistle.
Oh shit, did he just kill himself?
Yeah, he fell off his bird, that's what I'm saying.
Oh my god.
I don't know where my bird's at though. I don't think it followed me.
It's probably still around that base then.
He's on another bird right now. 2 birds. It's cool. I'll be okay. I'll probably be taken out.
Yeah, just dip side. I'm not on my fast bird. I can't come over.
I'm okay, it's okay. I'll probably die. I don't really have anything that good on me.
Oh. Don't die.
It's okay, I'll probably die.
You scored
No die.
0.
Coming. Get my bird.
I got him. They're trying to kill my bird now.
Yep. I'm coming.
My bird might die though.
Oh, I'm right behind you.
Okay, we're coming.
Cool. Going fast.
From Legion's base, where exactly is it?
Near the water.
It's on the coast, like
Okay.
just off the coast, north of the Blue Obelisk.
Okay.
I was right behind you. I think you're to my right.
Got a lot of parachutes.
I see you. I'll just follow you.
Oh, my bird's not following me.
You scored 0.
Mama bird! I made it!
Get out of there!
I'm getting out. I killed one of their birds though. Holy shit, that was crazy. Holy fucker.
I moved you into the mumble channel. We're coming, me and Rob.
Okay, cool. Dude, that was
So
so
you killed
awesome.
one of them?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I killed Archon earlier.
Killed one.
Oh, you're talking Vove.
I killed one of the birds. One guy jumped off his bird. I don't know what happened. He killed himself and he was coming after me. I get the feeling he hit like spacebar in midair, or no, he hit E. I think. I don't think he's just a bird. Something happened. He like ejected in midair and like fell to his death. My bird's really good right now, by the way. Got like 2/3 of his health. He's got 2/3. My bird has 2/3 of his health left.
Nice.
They're trying to attack it with their birds. Yeah, their birds just chilling. They're dead. I took everything off the guy's body too. I gotta see what I got.
There's an Alpha Raptor right below.
Dude's right above me. Holy shit.
We're coming.
I'm okay. I think I'm faster than him. I'm going in the trees right now. I'm gonna come back out though. I'm gonna do a juke. I'm gonna like go in and like leave like right away. Oh, suck a dick.
Cassie, do you remember where Aquaman were?
No.
Oh, you weren't there with us? Okay.
It's
No,
40.
yeah.
It's 4884 if you have the GPS. I couldn't wait, man. I had to do something.
Hey, Strat.
What's up?
Yeah, I don't think that door thing in the middle is really necessary. I mean, it's a little too late now, but honestly, I think picking them up and transferring them to the other pen is easier. That way, also, we could get a shit ton of snakes and probably produce more egg.
Yeah, probably.
Again, you know, this was
Ooh.
a trial, so
Yes, I found a
Well,
big
things
we'll have to
metal
build
box
another
over here
one at
that's
some point
heretics.
because it's. We want to put it up on pillars, don't we?
we
Or do
can build
decide
another one.
against that.
Oh, this is them right here.
Not heretics.
Well, here's my thought on it is,
Okay, we're right back now.
even if they're not on,
Come back.
okay, say
Yeah,
they're
okay,
on
okay.
pillars, yes, we will be
Get more
able to
stamina real quick.
access any eggs that are under it, but most of the time they act as if they're above. So you'll see the graphic of the egg below, but you won't be able to
I'm gonna get a
access
little
it.
meat. I can kill something really fast.
So really, I mean, they
Right
they
there.
did have a good point. They do poop
Pull
low
away
like
from
scorpions.
turrets.
Yeah, there are turrets.
Pull them
over
back.
here. Careful.
They're gonna
Inside the
poop like
colored
scorpions,
walls,
but
there's turrets.
I haven't seen an egg drop yet. They've
I
all
gotta
been
get Stan.
above.
Okay, he's diving.
Okay.
Where is Heretics?
Right behind Legion's base.
4785.
Okay.
There's an Alpha Raptor here too.
Let's get some of this meat.
Little way down. I'm gonna drop shit off and head that way.
I got
Do
one.
we need anything?
Nice.
Everyone good on ammo?
Yeah.
Water jar, don't mind if I do. See a pterodactyl. Any of you guys on a pterodactyl?
I'm gonna turn it on.
Come for the second one.
Okay, I'm back in. I wanted to spam some meat. You guys getting
Looks
this
like
bird?
he's out of stamina.
Is that his bird going down right now?
Yeah, his
Yeah.
bird's going down.
Alright, murder that thing.
I got him.
I have the other one with me. His bird's on the ground.
Okay. His bird's on the ground? Where is it?
Back here, towards their base.
Okay, I'm going back, Yeah. I see you, I see you.
On the coast.
Is he piking you?
No, he's just hanging out.
Alright, so
Smash,
here's
you
one.
waiting for me?
Oh, I see, I see.
Talking to me.
I get the walk. What's up, brother?
I'm gonna stab the shit out of it.
Dude, you got me, for fuck's sake.
What'd you say, Kaz? I don't see it though.
Yeah, just stay low, because if he was
Where'd he
little,
go?
just fly to him.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Where is the other one?
Oh no, birdie! No, birdie, no!
About to kick it.
Does there have to be a reason?
He's like flying way too fast away from me. I can't get him. He's,
Where'd
like,
you
flying
guys
away.
go, Rock?
A little
chilling
more
with
up the
him.
coasts.
Okay. Yeah, just bring the bird if it's following him. Yeah, it
Yeah.
is. We could take it back to our base for all that matters. Oh god, I'm almost out of stamina actually carrying this guy.
Oh, I could try grabbing him right now if you do. Just start running though. He's gonna jump on his bird. You should just go higher and just
Bird's
kill him
almost
if you
dead.
have
He's going
to.
back to base.
Let's just do that.
Yeah. Let me kill his bird right now. Bird will probably go down. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna pike him.
The fuck is it going?
Where the fuck did it go? Is it flying away?
I just, yeah, we got like a minute before he spawns. I might go if he's on follow.
Got it. Alright, piking it, piking it.
I'm out of stamina. He's going back to base. Bird's almost dead.
Fly back. Did you get him?
What'd you do?
Holy shit!
Oh, I just wrecked that guy.
He's still alive. He's piking.
Yeah, it's ver-
Oh, you got his bird?
fuck melee in this game. Trying to get the other bird out.
Oh, my armor's broken. Let's see this
Dude, they're
guy.
the only other big fucking tribe. What are they? What's your deal? We're having fun.
No, they're in fucking league with fucking Legion.
Oh no! Sorry.
Oh, I shot you, I think. Careful.
He's trying to get on it.
I shot
On
it.
it.
He's stuck right now.
Bird is really fucked up. Like one more hit.
Got
Nice.
it!
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay, cool.
It's dead.
Ah, he's down too.
I like shot at it. Like as soon as I shot it, the thing popped up and somebody else got the kill.
Yeah, it was
job.
me. You shot my bird.
Oh, I shot the bloody bird. Did you fly by it? Were you attacking it?
His body like fucking booked it. Where did his body go?
Wow, I
Can't
broke.
find his body.
I think I got a wreck settle with that guy. I did. Well, my armor.
What are they? What are,
Almost all my armor broke, but I just ran the dudes. Was he crying?
That's what it's called, motherfucker.
it's called You're Next, motherfucker.
So was that 3 birds? I'm surprised it didn't die.